Smoke drifts low, the roads are bare. Whispers follow, I feel the stare. Snow drifts soft where I dare to tread. Cold as the words I left unsaid. I wander alone where the wild winds spin. No one to hold, no one to win. They thought they could break me, thought I'd bend, but I am the song that won't end. Rivers know the secrets I keep. The trees have heard laughter and weep. I pluck my strings a wandering tune. The night is my stage, I sing to the moon. Snow drifts quiet, soft and slow. Cold traces follow where I go. I've learned the steps, the tricks, the sway. A songbird survived the capital